Local news for Wednesday the 17th of June. Kia ora, I'm Brent Gare. South Wairarapa Mayor Alex Bayan has been elected as chair of the Wairarapa COVID Recovery Committee, with Carterton Mayor Greg Lang as deputy chair. Iwi are well represented, along with Carterton's Deputy Mayor Rebecca Vergunst, Masterton Mayor Lynn Patterson, and councillors Gare and Fox from Masterton and South Wairarapa. Contestants from around the region will compete for the Cortiva Wairarapa Young Viticulturalist of the Year 2020 on August 20 at Cracky Range Vineyard in Martinborough, with the winner going through to the national final to be held later this year. And pie lovers will have to make up their own minds who's got the best pie in Wairarapa, let alone the country this year, after the Bakel's Great New Zealand Pie Awards have been cancelled until 2021. Wairarapa has seen some success in the past, not only with pies, but also with supplying judges. And finally, 4 Wairarapa regional sport organisations are assuring parents that it is safe for their children to participate in sport when it returns this weekend, with health and safety plans for netball, rugby, hockey and football all being updated and following government guidelines for hygiene and sanitisation, as well as contact tracing. Wairarapa Safe to Play campaign has been organised through Sport Wellington Wairarapa. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.